Oh wow यार, so nice hair color. Oh wow, कौन सा है यार ये color?
Garnier. I did it at home.
It's looking so pretty यार.
अच्छा लगा ना?
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. You're looking gorgeous बेटा. Really looking nice.
Yay! Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aishwarya. With Rakhi fast approaching, I wanted to give myself a hair makeover by changing my hair color. I've been wanting to try DIY box coloring again, and this was the perfect time. I'll also be sharing a few hair coloring hacks and tips that will help you along the way that I found with my research. These will be very helpful for you, especially if you're just starting out with DIY hair coloring, or if you're new to it, you're gonna wanna know them. I went from this to this in just 30 minutes. It's really not as hard as you think. When I thought about getting my hair colored, the first thought was to go to a professional, but as you guys know, it's super expensive and I also didn't want any drastic changes, so I thought to just do it by myself. There are some factors that come into play when you consider that option, so let me share them with you. The first process is obviously choosing the right shade of color, choosing the right product, and of course, doing a good job with the application process. Most importantly, your mental resolve to go through with the change. Some people might be a little concerned about what other people might say or their family not reacting well, as they might say it ruins your hair, which is a common notion, but you can take care of your hair and it will give you great results in a pocket-friendly budget. Starting with finding the right shade for yourself. This is of course the most crucial step. It is the base for any good hair transformation. While there are many ways to do it, the easiest and my most trusted method is to use the Garnier virtual try-on tool. This is available on Garnier's website and it allows you to try out all of the shades available and find just the right shade for you at the convenience of your own home for free. The virtual try-on tool is honestly so revolutionary. All you want to do is stand against a white wall. You want to use a clear filter-free picture, or you can also do a live try-on, which I absolutely love, and do this in a well-lit space so you get the best results. You can just try on all of the fabulous colors on yourself, have so much fun with it. I honestly was obsessed with this red as well. I think I want to try that next. So it makes choosing a hair color for yourself so easy, quick and fast and fun. Now once you have already selected your shade, finding the right hair color product is very important as well. You want to make sure that you use a trusted hair color brand that contains nourishing ingredients for your hair. And you also of course want to maintain a good hair care routine to replenish lost natural oils in the process. I absolutely love the Garnier Color Naturals Ultra Color. It gives such a vibrant color payoff even on dark hair, which is perfect for me because I'm not really a fan of bleaching my hair, and this hair color lasts up to 10 weeks, so that means that I also don't have to color too frequently. I just want to share a few quick tips and tricks for you guys to keep in mind before you color your hair. It is important to prep before hair coloring so it makes the process smoother and easier. So do not start out with a freshly cleaned hair. You want to have some of the natural oils on your scalp. So ideally 1 or 2 days after you've already washed your hair, that is the best time to color it. The oils have a natural protective barrier on the scalp, and there is also less chance of irritation. Color pigment is also better deposited. You want to do a patch test 24 hours before the final application to make sure there are no allergies or reactions to the product. Always use non-metallic dyeing tools. Avoid any metal clips and remove all jewelry to avoid any reactions. You can also apply some petroleum jelly around the hairline to protect from staining. Also, before you dye your hair, you don't want to use any styling products like dry shampoos, hair gels. And also, if you're planning to get your hair chopped up a little bit, you want to get a fun haircut, do that before you color your hair, since cutting afterwards can sometimes give you a patchy result. Let's move on to the mixing and application process. This box contains all the essential products required for hair coloring. So inside the Garnier Color Naturals box, you will get the colorant cream, developer milk, hair conditioning sachet and gloves. You want to mix equal parts of the colorant cream and developer milk in a non-metallic bowl. Make sure to mix it well. Now I like to start by parting my hair in the center and also from the apex of my hair towards the sides, creating 4 equal sections. I pick up a chunk of hair from the back first. Dividing it into little pieces, I start depositing the color into my hair. Since I'm doing a global hair color, I want to make sure all my hair lengths and roots are evenly coated. This also helps me cover any grey roots. I like to run a little comb through my hair to make sure each strand is coated evenly with the color. As you can see, I'm working in little sections. This makes sure the color is deposited evenly across my entire head. Now the front bits are most important and I like to do them last to make sure I can properly see what I'm doing and I know when the color has fully developed. You want to leave this on for 30 minutes and then rinse it off till the water runs clear. I'm using the hair conditioning sachet that comes with this pack. Okay, now after you are done coloring your hair, do not wash it for the next 2 days for the color pigment to get properly absorbed into the hair. In case you have extremely oily hair, you can go ahead and use a little dry shampoo to refresh it. The few things that I like to do to maintain healthy hair is to use a wooden brush. A wooden brush is great for the environment and it also reduces static in the hair. It also helps to reduce frizziness and breakage in my hair. Additionally, I also like to use this little tool, the scalp massager. So I just tilt my head upside down and I'll just go ahead and massage my entire scalp with this. It helps to increase blood flow and blood circulation to the scalp and improves hair growth overall. I also really like to include curry leaves in my diet because it reduces hair whitening and it also helps in hair growth. As everyone says, a balanced diet and an active lifestyle is the key to everything and same goes for hair. DIY hair coloring can really help you amp up your whole look. I highly recommend you to try out the Garnier Color Naturals as it's not only nourishing and good for your hair, but it's also super well priced at just ₹249, making it literally the perfect beginner friendly option as well. So I hope you found this video helpful and learnt a few tips and tricks here and there to help you in your hair coloring journey at home. Happy hair coloring, you guys. Have a lovely Raksha Bandhan. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.